Hey guys, this is John Vogel with the Hermosillo Group at W Real Estate, and today I'm going to be talking about how to write a great offer as a buyer in today's market. If you're thinking about buying a home but you're nervous about competition or overpaying in today's market, writing the right offer can make or break your deal. So let's talk about how to craft a winning offer that stands out without blowing your budget. Truth is, writing a great offer is more than just throwing money at the seller. There's a strategy behind it, and here are 3 of my tips for writing a better offer. So number 1, know what sellers want beyond just pricing. It's not always about the highest dollar. Sellers want certainty. That means clean offers, limited contingencies, strong financing, and flexible timelines. Sometimes even letting the seller choose the closing date or offering a leaseback can offer more value than just extra cash. Number 2, making the terms irresistible. A great offer includes a solid earnest money deposit, fast inspection periods, and an honest pre-approval letter, ideally with a local lender. Sellers want offers that scream, "This buyer will close and close smoothly." Even small adjustments like using a local title company can help your offer shine. And then for number 3, humanize the offer. This may sound cheesy, but a well-written buyer letter can work, especially if the seller has emotional ties to the home. A short, heartfelt note can help tip the scales. I've seen it happen more than once. So if you're planning to buy in this market, let's talk strategy. I hope you write an offer that stands out for the right reasons. Reach out to us to schedule your free consultation, and let's win you the right home. Thank you for watching.